On top right there?
Yeah, which way are they going?
It's coming right at you, directly. You gotta follow a fish to the wreck. He's coming right to you. Reel him to him, Cuzzy. Reel him to him. Don't look him.
He's going down. The race gotta be right there.
Swim's too slow. You gotta kick, bro. You gotta go.
Where?
The covey is right in front of you. 10 feet. Go down. He's right under you. I can see him. Hey, you got a big one on? Hey, you gotta follow the...
Ray's right here.
You shoot a big one?
Yeah, the biggest one.
Oh, man.
Give him the other gun. Huh? Dead?
Hell no, he's in.
Brown.
At least 12.
We can put this on there, right, Beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I drop a bait? Wait, mark them. E-Rod.
I don't think that fish, he's not with the Ray.
Huh?
That fish